Hi guys, I hope all of you are fine. Guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can write a Python program and how you can execute it. Guys, the problem statement is using Python language, design a script in Scratch to make a sprite, to ask the user to enter two different numbers and an arithmetic operator and then calculate it and display the result. Okay, problem is clear. Now, in next slide, I am going to explain step to step solution for this problem. Guys, from my screen you can see for this problem I need three input, that is first number, second number and a operator. We can use the input function for entering anything as the input for any Python program. Okay, the syntax is variable is equal to input and enter the value, where variable it means where you want to store the input. Next input it is used to read the user input. Now the enter the value it will be printed on the screen while getting the input. Clear? Now I am showing you how you can use input function in your Python program. Okay. Here I will use Visual Studio Code for the Python program. Okay. So this is the Visual Studio Code interface. Here my file name is demo.py. Okay. So this is the first line, that is variable is equal to input and enter the number. Now print variable. Okay. So here variable is the name where you want to store the data and input is the function and enter the number, it will be show on the screen. Okay, so for run this program just click here terminal, then new terminal. Here just type python, then the file name, that is demo.py. Now press enter. Now you can see enter the number. Here you can type your input number, that is like 67. Next line you can see print variable, means if I press enter then the 67 will be print here. Clear? Guys, always try to remember one thing, that is the input function read the input and always convert it into a string. Clear? So we need to typecast the input based on our need. Okay. For example, here is the first number, B is the second number, and if we add the both A and B, so in the above program, if we give the first number as 10 and second number as 20, then the answer will not have the result 30. So the answer will be 1020, means 1020. Okay, because the input function always convert the input into a string. Okay. Now I am showing you this thing practically. Okay. So first variable is equal to enter the first number, next variable 1, next I just print is equal to, that is variable 1 plus variable 2. Now terminal, new terminal. Now I just run this program. Now enter the number 1, that is 45. Enter the number 2, that is 90. And if press enter, it will be print 4590. I think it's clear for all of you. Okay. That's why we need to typecast the input based on our need. Now I need integer type of number. That's why I just use here int before the input function. Okay. If you need float or if you need any other type of numbers, then you just simply write it here like this. Okay, clear? Now the main problem. So this is your main problem. Okay, guys, I am showing you the main problem step by step. Okay. So from a screen you can see this is our main problem. Okay. So this is the Visual Studio interface. Here you can see sample2.py. Sample2 is the file name and py is the Python extension. Okay. For first input, I just write here a is equal to these things. Similarly, b is equal to this thing for the second input, and for the operator input, I just write here this code. Okay. Now, if the operator is plus, then simply a will be add with b. Similarly, if the operator is minus, then simply the b will be subtract from a. Similarly, if the operator is multiply, then simply b will be multiply with a. Similarly, if the operator is divided, then simply a will be divided by b. And lastly, if we type the wrong operator, then it will be shown wrong operator entered. Okay. Now, using a new terminal, I'll run it. Okay. Python sample2.py. Okay. Now enter the first number, that is 16. Enter the second number, that is 50. Operator, I want to add 60 with 50. I just enter here plus. Answer is 110. Clear? Similarly, I just type here 50. The first number, second number is 20, and I use here subtraction sign. The answer is 30. Similarly, I just take first number as 40, second number as 10, and use multiply sign. Now the answer is 400. Similarly, I take here 200 for A, 50 for B, and I use the divided sign here. Now the answer is 4. Okay. Similarly, if I take 40, the first number, 90 is the second number. If I use the operator as a dollar, then it will be show wrong operator enter. Okay. So guys, I hope you get something from my video. Okay. So thank you. Thanks for watching.